Every scent you've ever loved, from your luxury cologne to your laundry detergent, is a calculated chemical illusion. Three secretive giants, Givaudan, IFF, and Firmenich, have quietly built a multi-billion-dollar monopoly over your senses. They don't just sell smells, they own the proprietary patents that dictate exactly how you feel. This is the Olfactory Cartel, the silent architects of the modern sensory experience. The foundation of the monopoly isn't just good taste, it's patent law. These giants invent captive molecules, legal and chemical black boxes that only they are allowed to manufacture and sell. By March 2026, following massive mergers, these three firms control over 70% of the global market. They have essentially turned the olfactory landscape into a high-margin real estate investment trust for your nostrils. To protect their moat, these firms have moved upstream, buying up vast tracts of land in Madagascar, Haiti, and Grasse. By controlling the raw biological inputs, they force smaller competitors to buy from them. These firms employ neuroscientists who use AI-driven biological feedback to map exactly which synthetic triggers hit the emotional centers of the brain. They aren't selling smells, they are selling instant Pavlovian responses. Once a brand like Tide or Dior integrates a proprietary molecule, they are locked in. Changing the scent would change the product's soul, risking a total consumer revolt. The scent giant becomes an essential utility. This is the scented handcuff strategy. They've achieved systemic interdependency, making them effectively impossible to fire without destroying billion-dollar brand equity. These three giants are the silent infrastructure of modern life. They own the vertical supply chain, from the soil to the synthesis. They are the only companies with the scale to scent the planet simultaneously. The result? Givaudan, IFF, and DSM-Firmenich have achieved biological sovereignty. They have moved from being suppliers to being the operating system for how the world smells and tastes. They don't just influence your choices, they own the chemical keys that unlock your desire. In the 2026 economy, the most powerful moat is the one you can't even see. Join the craft as we continue to reverse engineer the invisible systems of the global economy. Subscribe to Learning BizCraft.